move in the SPY today. Did you guys take advantage of that? Man, that was crazy. Hopefully, you were able to take advantage. We finally broke above the trading range here. So, does that mean we're out of the woods? No, it does not. Because now we have to make sure we stay above this 393 area and we don't fall back into this trading range. Also, important to note that we still have the resistance of the 21 period moving average on the daily chart, and we have the 50 period moving average as resistance. So what does this mean? That means that tomorrow we need to see maybe a lower opening, a little dip, and then a reclaim, and the candle has to go green and it has to break through this 21 and 50 period moving average, right? And we want to see this candle close hopefully higher than the last high, which was this here. If you look in the daily chart, it was right here at 407.50. But that would be a massive, massive move. So at least I want to see us close above the 50 period moving average. If tomorrow we get a huge red candle, that's not a good look for SPY. That would actually that would put us back in this range. And if we get back in this range, then we can easily redirect and break down, right? So that's not what we want to see. Another stock that we had talked about in the last video that we prepared for today was Apple. Apple is finally peaking above this 2022 downtrend line, right? If I zoom out here, you can see boom, boom, boom. It keeps hitting that line. And now we see consolidation and we want to see follow through, right? Possibly a breakout, a retest, and then a continuation, right? One of the strong sectors that we were looking at was AMD. My God, this had one of the biggest moves today in the stock market. I really hope you guys got to watch the last video, because these are the stocks that I had mentioned, and these are the ways that you could have prepared for it. We had spoken about getting above this resistance here, seeing continuation. We definitely saw follow through today, and now we have some kind of indication of where we can go next. So tomorrow, we don't want to see a red candle bring us right back under this level here that we broke above today, which is this $90 level, $90 level. So we want to maintain above this $90 level. Just like in Apple, we want to maintain above where was it here? We want to maintain above this 153 area, right? And now we want to get above the 157 area. So those are the levels to watch out for. With Nvidia, it was such an easy trade today. So we broke out of this range here, right? If I extend this to the right, if you see this channel, we came to the bottom of the channel. Then we got an entry signal, and we took it right above here, this range, and we rode it all the way with a 9-period moving average, right? So you need to have your watch list up. You need to have your stock picks up. You need to have conviction in your stock. You need to have entries and exits. You need to have strategies and preparation. The key word is preparation, so that you can take advantage for when the stock market does this and when it finally breaks out of the sideways action. So today was the first day. Let's see if tomorrow we get continuation. And you don't have to trade all the news and all the stocks. All you have to do is pay attention to the few stocks that are doing what you want it to and that are matching the criteria of the market. And that would place you in the biggest probable winning trade, right? Because this is a business of probability. Okay, so put the odds in your favor, prepare, and hopefully we don't dip back tomorrow and we can see a continuation candle, right? At most, we see some ranging tomorrow, but not a break below. We don't want to see a break below 252 in NVIDIA. And I already mentioned the other ones. The last one I want to take a look at is Meta. So Meta's also a very bullish stock. So we had this range here and we finally broke out. So I really don't want to see Meta dip back below 197, 198 area. I want to see it hold that, right? And we also have this trend line here. So remember, if you're following the way that I follow the trend lines, once it breaks, then you create the next box for the next move up or the next move down, right? And if you want more detail on that, I made a video about it a few videos ago. But if you want to take advantage of that, just go back and look for it, right? So yeah, be prepared. Know when to take advantage. Today was a day you definitely had to take advantage to make up for all the losses of that range that we were stuck in for the last 2 weeks. So follow me if you have any comments, stocks you want me to look at, put them down low, subscribe, and thanks for watching.